Gonna surprise you, Han.
Okay.
Jaran!
Oh, a skillet. Honey, I was looking for skillets last night.
Huh?
All right. Yeah, okay. You got one, huh? Is that what you wanted?
Yeah, this is I'm going to show this video today, guys. And I don't know
All right.
if this
How
is a
many?
grilled pan or oven something or grilled oven something like that, but I just got it because I cannot wait. I cannot wait.
No, you
And
like we said, you don't have any
two
patience. You yell
two
at
ninety
me.
na 299, but I have a discount like 20% off, so I got only this 2,400. Okay, so
Of
we
course you
will
have
open it.
discount.
Let's see.
I was looking, and I didn't know if you wanted one with just a long handle on it, because I got them like that too.
Yeah,
You
this
know, with
is
just a
let's see if
handle.
this one is good first. All right.
Okay, great, babe. Yeah, that's good, hon.
If it's
Get
work,
that at
you're
SM?
not going to send na from Amazon or to Amazon. Jaran! Ayan, I cannot wait to get one this. This is from where? What the guy said? What the guy said? Korea?
China,
No, it was a
Korea.
Korea, honey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How many inches is that thing?
This one is 28 centimeter by 11.
Oh, okay, so it's 11, I think.
Yeah,
Is that what
this is
it
the back,
means? Okay.
guys. Alright. I think this is a grilled pan.
That's nice, hon.
Mm. I
It
can
could
cook
cook
now the steak here or even pork chop, chicken.
everything.
Alright. And you can serve like this already, guys, as long as the pan is hot. So it's not easy to be cold the food. So we will try this one day. I have the stick there in the ref, but I cannot cook because I am still looking. So I found now here this one in SM today. So I got this grilled pan. Smell box. Yeah, made
All
in
right.
Korean. As you can see, guys.
Okay.
Korean made. So it's not
All right.
from China. So we will try next time. Yeah. It's a little bit heavy, guys. Just 1 kg. 1 kg. So it's not bad. 1 kg of rice. 1,000 pounds. Isn't it? In 1 kg. Right?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
1,000 pounds.
You ask me?
Yoo-hoo! We can cook. And if Mike was there, we can use this also. So I just get it for him, not for me. Because he gonna stay with me 1 month. So I
Now,
have to buy this kind of if ever he wants to cook something this like a grill. It's nice. You can handle two
now you gotta
instead of one.
find steak and beef.
Yeah, or even hot dog if you like it, right?
I don't know about hot dog. I don't know about hot dog.
Less but better.
That's nice, hon.
Yeah, it's nice, but you have to pay this dad to me. This the
I
credit
still have to
for
pay it. Oh,
yeah,
I
you have
got
to
it.
pay
Oh,
it. Oh, this is not free to
oh,
me. Come on.
certainly. Yes, absolutely, hon. Yes.
This is not free. My God, you have to pay for me this. Okay, this is a credit for
I think
you.
all the ones on Amazon were like the cheapo ones were like $20. Then you pay
$20?
probably another 20.
It's
Yeah,
cheaper
they
there,
weren't
but
the
if
good
you send
ones.
something, then it will be a $100 or $80 the charge. So,
Yeah, I
same
didn't
o,
look up
same
the
o.
shipping, but the good ones were like 39
Huh?
some $39, the good ones, something like that. The good
What?
pans. The good pans were like something like $39.
Just only how much the grill there, honey?
I
20?
said yeah, like the cheap ones were 20.
The cheaper one is 20? Oh, this one is how
But
much? 2,400 only, like a 20 also, like a 20, 24 or 25. Let's say $25
2,400
or 30, isn't it?
divided by,
I
wait
don't
a
know in
minute.
dollar. Anyway, just only still cheap for me in this 2,500, 400, okay? Don't convert in dollar.
Honey, that can't be right. It
Why?
costs 2,400 pesos?
Yes.
That's like $47.
47.
Honey, that can't be right. 2,400. Let me do that again. Divided by,
How
say,
much the
51.
400 in how much $20 is equivalent to 1,000, honey? Come on.
I don't know.
Plus
And I'm coming up
400,
with $47.
22
I'm still
hundreds.
coming.
Or
Okay.
22 hundreds. $22.
I'll figure.
O 24. My God, naguguluhan ako. I'm bubu in math.
I'll
Okay?
figure it out later.
I hope you will like it, my new pan, guys, or weird pan. Look at that. We will try one day. One day. One day.
That's nice. We just gotta find steak.
Yeah, I'm gonna look some steak, pork chop more. So I will
Pork
not
chops. I
use.
forgot about
Yeah,
that.
you can cook. You can cook also the pork chop here, honey, because it's a grilled pan. You can cook also in the oven this. Honey, you have to pay me. Is serious, honey.
Yeah. Yes, dear.
Okay? Well, no free for me. Okay? No free for me. If I want you to give you a free, and it's free. But this no, this one is no. Thank you for
Or
watching,
mine.
guys. I hope you will like it. Our new utensils here in the kitchen. I cannot read because the letters is very very small. Woohoo! Unboxing our new utensils.
I hope that $47 tastes good, hon.
Huh?
I hope that $47 tastes good.
Honey, 47 days, are you sure?
I am. If you say it's
10, 20,
2,400
40, yeah.
pesos.
40, yeah, you are right, 44.
Okay. Divided by like, well, I
Alright.
don't know. It might be 52, but I'm saying 51.
Huh?
Yes,
Whatever.
I'm still coming up
Whatever.
with
It's still
47.
2,400. It's cheap for me. Instead, you are, sending in Amazon. The charge is more than
It's
the.
probably the same because I know the shipping will be at least $20 on everything.
Yeah, same price. At least I got already. Instead, I'm wearing the pan. Oh, diba? So, thank you for watching, guys. Take a
White
video,
hunt.
honey. Wait. Even a shorts. And I have one also, guys. Pang rampa. To makes me beautiful more. Bahala na kayo kung anong reaction nyo sa sinasabi ko. Ha?
What is that?
This is my accessories new accessories, han. That makes me be beautiful more. More
Oh, is that
beautiful.
earrings again?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Mm.
All right.
Kahit
Now
pangit
you
sa
look
inyong
like an
paningin,
Indian
ako'y
again.
maganda pa rin. O, di ba? Basta ako maghikaw-hikaw, makikiuso lang ako, guys. Oh, this is
Now they're not going to
uso-uso.
turn your ears green, are they?
Oh, yeah.
Oh Lord.
Ganda. I look
Oh,
really pretty, these earrings.
yes, dear.
Ayan, kasi nakapajama tayo, hindi masyado kita ang kagandahan, o, di ba? Because we are wearing a pajama, so you cannot see the beautiful face and looks with this kind of earrings. For beaches also. Moral. Moral. Ayan. Di ba, uso yung mga ganitong malalaking hikaw na ngayon. Parlicia, parang you can make a fun also like this, you know. Fun, di ba? Something like this. And seems like a lollipop. Lollipop.